So
oh, look, you got wormies coming out the bottom.
it's a good sign. Worm.
That is a good sign. Wormies. Hello and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to play around in our compost. We've been trying to build compost now this year in these 2 black barrels, and today we're going to actually turn one of them out and kind of see what's going on and see how it's working and see if there's anything else we need to do with it.
We started this. We'll look back, but it's been
It was
6
late
months.
spring.
6 months maybe. It's been very convenient because we get the kitchen scraps, the vegetables, everything but bones and meat and cheese basically goes in here. And we can rock out the door and just dump it, put the lid back on and walk away, but we're not aerating it. And we just thought, let's just turn it over, because I'm okay if compost, it takes a year to make. I'm kind of lazy, and just knowing it's not going in the trash and going in the landfill is fine. So let's see if we can get this first one. This is the one we started on. I did tie ropes to the lids in case they got loose.
You need my help.
I am going to try and just lift. We've got all of our tomatoes that were on the vine, and then it frosted. So
oh, look, you got wormies coming out the bottom.
it's a good sign. Worm.
That is a good sign. Wormies.
Yeah, there's a lot of gnats in there. So we're going to put it on this tarp. No. So I'm going to get some weight out of this before I turn it. This has banana peels from where we've been doing freeze-dried bananas. Still not sure I can lift this. Probably should have put some gloves on. Let's see, that way, and we can lift right here. All right.
Oh, but look at that black gold on the bottom. It's still not breaking down completely, but
Okay.
it's not looking bad.
It's not looking bad.
It's not crazy smelly either.
We've got all sorts of everything in here.
Wow, look at all the worms.
So, good sign, we got worms. We'll put this back where we pulled it out of. And I've got, don't know if I'll put this in camera. We've got almost our big little cart full. I cleaned the chicken coop after more than 6 months. I think we put those hens in there. We have shavings on the floor. And look at all those red worms.
Yeah, don't kill them.
I won't. I'll be easy and gentle as I can. All right. So we're going to mix in some of the dry carbon, because I know we have a lot of green with all the tomatoes. But it looks like it's breaking down. I know if we turned it every few days, it'd be better. But like I say, I'll admit it, a little lazy.
We both work full-time jobs too. So.
Yeah, like I say, just knowing, and I think that did help having the PVC pipe in the middle. So we'll just fast forward so we don't drive you crazy watching us just mix in compost. And we'll fill this container back out. What I'd like to do is get one set, and so we can leave it alone, let it percolate, do its thing, and then hopefully it might be ready by spring.
Yeah, that would be great.
All right, we're gonna get the mixing. Maybe we ought to pour the other one out.
You want to do both of them at the same time?
Yeah, because look. Okay. We're
tired now.
As you can see, once we fluffed it up, it filled up both cans. We were just talking, we need to get another one.
Yeah. You got to remember, we added the chicken shavings, so
yeah,
that added a lot of extra volume.
And the cattler seems to like it.
The compost.
Yeah, they're indoor, outdoor, so. Oh. But yes, that looked like it was doing good. I was worried it was going to stink from anaerobic decomposing, and it wasn't as stinky as.
No, it didn't stink at all, actually. I mean, you've got the holes drilled down the sides of the trash cans, so it's getting air flow.
Yep.
So yeah, it didn't stink. It had a lot of gnats and a lot of maggots, but that's to be expected when you throw food waste together like that.
Yeah, and there's holes, like say, for the bugs to go in and out along with the air, but it's slower than some folks that can do it in 21 days, but that's all right. We are not in a hurry. It's just nice not to throw it in the trash and let the landfill get it.
Yep.
So
thank you. I'm sorry, my cat is entertaining me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by Life in Every Season. If the content of this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It helps our channel. And it helps Libby's channel. Maybe we'll make a channel just for her.
We hope we entertain you. If nothing else, we are learning that we're just trying to pass on. This is us. There's inexpensive trash cans from the local Walmart, and we're just trying to use what we have.
Yeah, we bought compost last year, and it was really pricey. And we may have to do that again this year because we're not making enough. But eventually I would like to get the soil to the point where we can use just our compost.
Yep, and this is all, like say, things that we have here. It's what's left over from the kitchen. When we cut things out of the garden we can't eat, and also the chickens, which you probably can't see behind us, but we just moved their fence today. So they're on fresh grass, so they are tickled to death.
Yes, they are. Well, guys, thanks a lot. Catch us on the next one, and y'all have a good evening.
Bye.
Bye.